Hello everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Power Mode in VS Code. This fun extension adds cool effects while you type, like sparkles, particles, screen shake, and even fire effects for your code. First, open Visual Studio Code on your PC. Now click the extensions icon on the left sidebar. Look for the extension called Power Mode and click Install. Once installed, we now need to enable it. Open your settings by pressing Ctrl, comma. In this settings search bar, type Power Mode. Then click to enable it. And just like that, the effects are now active while you type. Now let's customize the effects. In the settings search bar, type Power Mode presets. From here, you can choose different styles like particles for a cleaner look. Flames to make your code look on fire. Or magic for a spell-like effect. If the screen shake feels too strong, search for Power Mode Enable Shake and disable it. You still keep the visual effects without the screen shaking. And that's it. Thanks for watching.